Edo State Police Command Headquarters don receive the Deputy Inspector General of Police wey dey in charge of ICT and South-South Geopolitical Zone, Daniel Sokari Pedro, with parade by sentry mounted by policemen. Edo State Commissioner of Police Funsho Adegboye and other gallant officers join body to receive and welcome the Deputy Inspector General of Police, to whom CP Funsho Adegboye co-introduce the area commander heads to.
Inspector General Proctor! Inspector General Salat! Present! Sentry guard mounted by men of Nigeria Police Force, Edo State Command, comprising 1 player and 7 others. Guard commanded by Force Number 512816, Corporal Osagede Francis. Guard form are ready for your inspection. Sir! Inspector General Salat! Present! Your car permission to marshal the guard. Sir! Sentry step fast! Remember to the guard! Dismiss!
After the parade, the entourage con carry waka enter lecture hall, where the Commissioner of Police for brief the Deputy Inspector General of Police about the status of the command, and con also chook mouth on the reason the command dey look for collabo with the judiciary, so they go fit give the right and appropriate punishment to offenders, especially kidnappers.
The present Edo State was created in 1991 from the then old Bende State and is made up of 18 local government areas and 3 senatorial districts. The state is bounded by the states of Kogi, Delta, South in the east, and Ondo to the west. The Niger River flows along the state, western boundary, and this one makes policing Edo State a peculiar one because of the neighbors, the rivers through which hoodlums escape. The command is made up of 10 area commands, 2 squadrons, that is Mopo 5 and Mopo 60 in Iyamo. Mopo 5 is domiciled here in Benin City. And we have personnel here 6,693 prevalent crimes in the state. These include, but not limited to, the following: kidnapping, court-related offenses, including killings, which is very, very rampant, and all other ones. But those are the major crimes that we have in Edo State. All others are, as we always send to you on the same website, measures to prevent crimes. I will just enumerate them. Our men, I want to tell you the idea, sir. We have highly dedicated officers, innovative officers. They improvise despite the meager resources at our disposal, including inadequate human resources. In fact, I can regard them as miracle performers. So, with the dedication of these officers that you have seen, sir, and I pray and I hope you help me to thank them, we embark on stop and search, even without vehicles. We have been on their neck, though it's a strange thing to them. Before, by 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you will not see police officers on the street. But we changed their orientation. Now we are having 24 hours, including the women. We are having 2 area commanders. When I first got here, I was disturbed that we are having women area commanders in the metropolis. But sir, I've not regretted that I did not complain against them. They are performing well. They are equally clamoring that we want more women. So sir, when you get back to Abuja, we can tell the Inspector General of Police that our women are performing well and we are ready to do it.
The Deputy Inspector General of Police, Daniel Sokari Pedro, contrary salute and accolades to the Commissioner of Police, Funsho Adegboye, and your Assistant Inspector General of the Command, Arugwa Wanzu, for the ogbonge work them they do. He can't talk, say,
I am here on a tour, official tour of the zone. I've been an appointed DIG in charge of ICT and the zone. It's about 9 months or so ago, and I think it would not be nice if I do not go on a tour, at least to see and to rub minds with my officers and men. Surely, the CP has been doing a yeoman's job. And the AIG by my right-hand side is not only a cosmate, but is also a workaholic. I've known him at least for about 35 years. You know? So, both the officers on the left and the right are great officers. And they say the fish starts to rot from the head. Am I wrong? So if the head is good, surely you have a good workforce.
Make it and no forget, say, as we see him, now so we they talk him, we know they take blame. From Edo State Police Command Headquarters, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.